Hey, what's up, guys? Me certain with my YouTube live talk. Good afternoon to my all friends, and it is time for relaxation. I mean, office is over. Enjoying a few moments remaining here to get mental peace and old age work almost make us fainted, and I think there is barely needed few moments for relaxation. And sometimes when I get chance, definitely I'd like to read such a book. There is so many book. It is a learning corner that I made here for the students, and I think they are using it very well, and mostly a student like read these story books and so many puzzle art work and so many things. So these are the things that enjoying after office time, and in this video I am going to talk about human behavior. I mean, sometimes we feel inside happiness by helping any needy one people. Actually, helping other one is not a duty, but it is a pleasure that we do and get and increase our happiness, our health, and even get a few moment of happiness. Actually, yesterday evening, a person who already suffered from pandemic situation and hardly survived, and because of it, almost he has to face so many problems in his life, especially taking money problems, and he is a debt almost over than 2 lakhs Indian currency uh, of the various people who is living here. And suddenly one person came to him and asking for his money that he lent during this pandemic situation. I mean, to cure his disease, and he was not in condition to repay his money, and he was felt very sorry, and he started to weeping. And being a good neighbor, I was listening that, and after that I decided to help that person, and I debt that person. It was 8,000 Indian rupees. That was he was debt from the person. So it is a way that I find myself very happy helping such people who is really in trouble, and getting much botheration from this life. I mean, hardly he survived from his this pandemic, and this time if there is any burden, if there is mental disturbance, definitely he will lose his health as well as that cure he already get. So I do not want that any unwanted accident happen with him. That is why I decided to help that person, and believe I felt very happy helping such people that are really in a bad situation. And I never think that it is my duty, but it is my pleasure that I help a needy person. And I know him very well. He is a good guy and always ready to help other one when he was healthy, but previous 1 year has been very tough for him. That is why he destroyed all his earning. I mean, the occupation, the businesses that he used to do due to this disease. He lost his, and hardly he recovered it. So he cannot return this money suddenly because Rome was not built in a day, and no one can uh, grow mustard on the palm. So these are the things that we felt. Some people ignore this, some people take seriously, and some people come forward for the help, and believe helping any needy people is not a duty, but it is a pleasure. It should be a pleasure that increase our health, our happiness. So this is a short conversation taking YouTube live talk. Hope you will like it, and let's meet another video tomorrow. Have a good day, friends.